Hello guys, welcome back with me. My name is Emersit Kinovaldi and this is my colleague Narendra Rompas. In this video, we will show you guys how to order food via GoFood through Gojek application. Let's go to the video.
First thing first, make sure you have the Gojek application on your smartphone. If you haven't, you need to download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. Next, open the Gojek application and then select GoFood. After that, you will see a bunch of selections kind of food and also the restaurant. And then choose the restaurant that you want. This time, we're going with Wingstop. Select food and drinks that you want and also decide the quantity. You also can leave notes for a special request if you want to. And then press the green box below to the next menu. Then put your address in the address book. And also select which payment method that you want to go with. At the bottom of the menu, you can see the total price of your order and then just press order. Once you get a driver, you can see the details of your order and then you can call or message him to make sure the driver gets your order correctly. Then you just need to wait until the food arrives. After your food arrives, you can enjoy your food.